You might be surprised, but sometimes I actually prescribe nature. Yes, a green prescription, like advising a walk in the park or a bit of gardening. It's not just to be nice, it's because getting out into the green spaces can work wonders for your health. Research backs this up. As published in the Lancet in 2023, patients sent out into nature had better blood pressure control and felt less anxious and depressed. In other words, a dose of the outdoors can lower stress, lift your mood, and even help you to sleep better. And there's a ripple effect. You move more, maybe chat with a friend on a stroll, and generally feel brighter. So next time you're feeling a bit low or cooped up, remember that nature is medicine. Try to pop out to the park or a garden. It's free, it's enjoyable, and your body and mind will thank you for it.